Fill up, fill out, fill in. What's the difference? And which of these verbs is able to replace the other two in certain contexts? Fill out, fill in, and fill up are phrasal verbs. That is a verb, fill. Fill is to put something in an empty space, plus a preposition, in, out, and up. All these three use the word fill, which means put something in an empty space. Fill up means make something become full. For example, I fill the car up with fuel. One more example, there is plenty of food, fill yourself up. Fill out often means complete a form or documents where space have been provided for you write in. For example, if you want to join the gym, please fill out this form. Fill in, just like fill up, can mean make something full. For example, I filled in my jar with honey. Fill in is also like fill out, which means complete a form or a document. For example, if you want to join the gym, please fill in this form. Fill in can mean temporarily replace someone who is unable to do their job at that time. We fill in for someone. For example, Sarah is sick today. Could you please fill in for her? Remember also, a person can fill somebody in on something. This means tell them information that they are missing or don't know. For example, Sarah, you are back. Let me fill you in on what you missed while you were sick. Here comes the question. Which of these verbs is able to replace the other two in certain contexts? Can you give me the answer? Exactly right. Fill in. Fill in, just like fill up, can mean make something full. Fill in, just like fill out, can mean complete a form or documents. I hope you understand the concept of fill in, fill up, and fill out. Can you write a few sentences in the comments using these phrasal verbs? Try and do it. You will enjoy it more. Love and peace to all.